This is usually the season and the time of the year that makes Apple even more jolly, but can they continue their merry way upwards in terms of stock price? Well, in today's chart of the day, I'm going to take a look at the technical analysis to find out. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. There's not a lot to take away from the weekly line chart for Apple other than it's still very bullish, and I've just put on there the last, including this year, last 3 years gains in terms of stock price move. It's so far up about 24% this year. It was up 64% last year and 91% the year before that, so maybe it's got a bit more room to head up to that $200 mark. Downside wise, you probably got $134, then $110. If you're bearish Apple, then I like to use the line break chart. I've got a full line break chart here with a 2-box reversal. Now I can already see in pre-market that the price of Apple is down to $160. So that takes you down to my more conservative entry in the shorter term for a short trade for Apple, and already past that the more aggressive $163.5 area to the downside. Let's focus in on the pre-market number when it opens 2:30 today to see what happens. But at the moment, in the very short term on that chart, it's gone through the line break rules there for a short trade. Daily Heikin-Ashi, well, it's all bullish. The signals at the bottom bullish. Volatility picking up to about 26% per annum above its longer term moving average, and volume also picking up, around about 150 million compared to 79 million longer term average. So both bullish there. And heading on to the price, we had a buy signal a week or so ago outside the 2-line pink box breakout system. So all very nice, comfortable, bullish for Apple at the moment. Now for the Renko chart for Apple, we've used a $1 block size to get a bit more aggressive on price action, and you can see at the moment signals bearish, weak bearish, just with that little pull off from recent highs around $169, $170 back into the pink 2-line box breakout system. Pre-market, as we said, could take it below there and flag a sell signal, but it's trading above the longer term moving average, trends up. It's all looking still really positive, and maybe this is just a buy the dip or a pullback opportunity for the bulls out there. Now upside wise, gets through those highs, as I say, around 169, 170, then 175, 176, up to early 180s in the very short term we could see, and downwise 157, 150, around those key Fibonacci numbers, and then below that probably playing or trying that longer term moving average as maybe a bounce support if things went a bit pear-shaped in the shorter term. But at the moment, like I say, despite the recent pullback, still very bullish. So the technicals all looking strong for Apple, and I'm giving it overall bullish score. Heikin-Ashi especially looking bullish in the medium to longer term, and the Renko, despite the sort of signals pointing a bit bearish, that could be a pullback opportunity. Overall, still holding bullish there. And if we go to the top right, for those bears amongst us who want to trade Apple down, then 163.5, 160, some potential entries for you there. And focusing on the targets, Upside better than downside, 1.85, 2.7 to 1 in terms of opportunity, and downside 1 to 1, 1.7 to 1. So Apple overall bullish at the moment. So it's all looking very cheery for Apple still at the moment, despite that short-term correction, which was probably Powell, COVID, sort of related. It still looks like it's got a good chance of getting up to $200, in the reasonable near future. Now let me know in those comments below what you think of Apple and its stock price and where it could be heading next. Love to hear your thoughts. Now if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.